Good morning, students. Now, next chapter is chapter number 13, Surface Areas and Volume. In this chapter, its first exercise 13.1. In exercise 13.1, we are going to learn about surface area of cuboid and surface area of cube. So now, cuboid. Cuboid is a three-dimensional figure having 6 faces. First face, second face, third face, fourth face, fifth face, and just opposite to it sixth face. So in cuboid there are 6 faces. L is the length, B is the breadth, and H is the height of cuboid. Clear? So surface area of cuboid means sum of areas of all faces. So see here, in case of cuboid there are 6 faces. So you have to find its surface area. So firstly, L, B and H. So in cuboid, 2 opposite faces are equal. Means areas of 2 opposite faces are equal. So here 2 faces are of length of area L into B. First face and second face. So first face, area of first face is LB, and area of second face will also be LB. So will be equal to 2LB. Clear? Now area of third face and fourth face. Area of third face will be B into H, BH, and area of fourth face will also be BH. So will be equal to 2BH. Clear? Similarly, area of fifth face and sixth face. So area of fifth face will be H into L, and area of sixth face will be H into L, so which will be equal to 2 into HL. So surface area of cuboid will be 2LB plus 2BH plus 2HL. 2LB plus 2BH plus 2HL. Taking out common 2, then this will be equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Clear, students? Now, in case of cube, edge of cube is L. Let edge of cube is A. So in case of cube, L is equal to B is equal to H. Clear? In case of cube, L is equal to B is equal to H is equal to A. Let. So put L, B, H is equal to A in area of cuboid. We know that surface area of cuboid is CSA of cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Put here L is equal to B is equal to H is equal to A. Then we find surface area of cube will be equal to 6 into A square. Clear? So in case of cube, L is equal to B is equal to H. Clear? So we can say that surface area of cube is 6 into A square, where A is the edge of the cube. Clear? Suppose out of the 6 faces of a cuboid, we only find the area of the 4 faces. We find area of the 4 faces, leaving the bottom and top. In such case, the area of the 4 faces is called the lateral surface area of the cuboid. Clear? I repeat it. Lateral surface area of cuboid means area of 4 faces, leaving the bottom and top faces. Clear? Then you have lateral surface area of the cuboid. So lateral surface area of cuboid of length B, breadth B, length L, breadth B and height H is equal to 2LH plus 2LB, because we have to leaving the area of bottom and top and taking out 2 common, so this will be equal to 2 into L plus B into H. Similarly, lateral surface area of cube will also be equal to 4 into A square. In case of cube also you have to leave area of top and bottom faces. Clear? So surface area of cuboid, you have to learn surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, where L is the length, B is the breadth and H is the height. Clear? In case of cube, L and B, L, B and H are equal, so its surface area will be 6 into A square. To find surface area of cube, we can say that put L is equal to B is equal to H is equal to A. Then you can find 6A square. Now, in case of lateral surface area, in lateral surface area of cuboid, you have to leave the area of bottom and top faces. Then you have lateral surface area of the cuboid, which will be 2 into L plus B into H. Similarly, in case of cube, lateral surface area of cube will be 4 into A square, because you have to leave the area of bottom and top faces. Clear? Now see the examples. A plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep. So L is 1.5 meter, B is 1.25 meter and 65 centimeter deep. So height will be 65 centimeter. Because L and B are in meter, so convert height in also in meter. So divide it by 100. So 65 by 100 is equal to 0.65 meter is the height. Clear? Now you have length, breadth and height of the plastic box. So in this question we have to find, ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine first the area of the sheet required for making the box and cost of the sheet for it. If the sheet measuring 1 meter square cost is equal to rupees 20. Cost of 1 meter square sheet is given rupees 20, and you have to find cost of the sheet for it. Clear? So firstly we have to find, in first part we have to find area of the sheet required. It means we have to find surface area of the cuboid. We know that so in this question we have to find a plastic box area of sheet to make a plastic box. So because box is open from the top, so its surface area will be lateral surface area plus base area. Leave top area of top face. Clear? So which will be a lateral surface area is 2 into L plus B into H, and plus base area is L into B. Now put the value of L, B and H and calculate it. Then you can find area of sheet required. Clear? Which is 5.45 meter square. Now cost of 1 meter square sheet is rupees 20. So cost of 5.45 meter square sheet will be equal to 20 into 5.45, which will be equal to rupees 109 is the answer. Now see the next example. The length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall of the room and the ceiling at the rate of rupees 70, rupees 50 paisa per meter square. So solution, here length L is 5 meter, B is 4 meter and H is 3 meter given already. The room is like a cuboid whose 4 walls means leaving the area of top and bottom faces. So area of 4 walls will be equal to lateral surface area. So lateral surface and ceiling to be whitewashed. So in this question 4 walls and ceiling are to be whitewashed. So area of whitewashing portion will be lateral surface area plus area of the ceiling. So 2 into L plus B into H plus L into B. Now put the value L, B and H. Then you have area for the whitewashing. Clear? Which is equal to 74 meter square. Now cost of whitewashing for 1 meter square area. So cost of 1 meter square area is rupees 7.50. So cost of 74 meter square will be, you have to multiply it, then you have the answer. Clear? See the next example. A cubical box has each edge 10 centimeter and another cuboidal box is 12.5 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter high. Which box has the greater lateral surface area and by how much? Or second part, which box has the smaller total surface area and by how much? So it means here cubical box and cuboidal box are given. So firstly you have to find surface area of cubical box and then surface area of cuboidal box. So in cubical box its edge A is given 10 centimeter. So lateral surface area will be 4 into A square, so 400 centimeter square. Clear? And total surface area 6A square, which will be 600 centimeter square. Similarly, the cuboidal box length, breadth and height are given. So lateral surface area, find its lateral surface area, which is equal to 360 centimeter square, and total surface area of cuboidal box will be 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Calculate it. Then 610 centimeter square. So first part, cubical box has the greater lateral surface area by 400 minus 360 is equal to 40 centimeter square, and total surface area of cubical box is smaller than the cuboidal box by 610 minus 600 centimeter square is equal to 10 centimeter square. Clear? Because in this question we have to find lateral surface area of cubical box and cuboidal box and total surface area of cubical box and cuboidal box. Clear? Then we can compare whose area is greater and who is less. Okay students, so you have to solve exercise 13.1 with example. Okay students, thank you.